Check this out, y'all. We got two mail trucks. They ride at the same time. Maybe they're going to the same houses. Sure as hell going to the same route. Hot diggity dog. I like that. Just like some kind of a training going on in this joint. Mm-hmm. Well, hallelujah to seeing two real big time mail trucks riding around. Same areas. Sound like fun. Wonder if the truck in front of that one training the one behind that one. Probably is, but you know what? That's some good ass situation right there, y'all. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Something weird about that. Oh, yeah. The guy in the first mail truck. That's the guy used to always run mail all his life since I was a little girl. There he goes from a grown woman. Then the truck behind him, that's one that has a new one. A new behind driver. Yes, sir. I like this. I figured he was in the training process. Got some mail uniform. Oh, yeah. Let me get this up. Oh, yeah. He has on male shorts. It's cute. Yeah. There goes the guy in the green shirt they call Uncle Bo. Yes, it is. A good friend and a neighbor in this hood. Taking somebody for a ride, of course. There goes the mail truck with the other guy behind a big old hat. It's pretty. I like his hat. It's like some kind of warden working at the prison, how he have his hat on. I guess he's coming around the bend, y'all. Yeah. He got his uniform, pants on, shirt on, everything. So, I realize that's a pretty outfit. So it is. Another truck passed by. Oh my God.